What's up? How you guys doing? Just gonna do a quick daily breakdown of the market today. The trades that I took a loss today. Not really happy with how I went about entering the trade, but it is what it is. Been had like a over like 80% win rate over like the past 2 weeks. So a loss was overdue, I would say. But I definitely still could have avoided it. Uh, if you like these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to join the team, please hit the link in the description for the Discord. It's totally free. I don't sell or like promote anything that you need to pay money for to have access to. It's just a community for like-minded people. But let's go ahead and get into it. So today I was still bullish on the market, even though we had been consolidating and somewhat ranging over the past few days. I wasn't open to taking shorts as we hadn't broken any type of significant structure to the downside, at least on the 1 hour time frame, for me to take a short. That would be like a high probability sort of continuation. So with that, I was still bullish. Was paying attention to this low here, this wick here on the 1 hour time frame, and then this 4 hour low, to then target. Just try to get a one, to, not try to, but get a 1 to 2 risk reward on the trade. So if you go down to the 15 minute, that's where this imbalance comes from. It had been filled, but I didn't know if it had wanted to be souped for then us to continue to the upside to finally possibly break out of the channel that we had created price wise on the higher time frames. And so at market open, price initially impulsed to the upside on the lower time frames, but then dumped. Got some structure here where price took out the 1 hour low and then also the 4 hour low on ESNNQ. So that's why I'm not looking at any divergences for today's setup. It was strictly a type B setup. And I was looking for a break of structure to the upside on the 5 and 1 minute time frames, which we ended up getting here. Within this zone right around here. What's going on? Within this zone right around here, broke to the upside, had a 5 minute gap, and then 2 1 minute gaps that I just wanted to mark just in case a 5 minute got broken. So if you look on the 1 minute, so this is kind of where things went wrong. So I was trading live with the group. Wasn't getting in anything because price was all the way up here, and I had to get to class. I had to walk from the library to Craig Hall, where my class is, which takes around like 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minute walk. And so I had to like close my laptop, stop streaming, and then, start walking to class. But while I was walking to class, like I'm like in the middle of campus because it's, the library is on one end of campus and Craig Hall's on the other end. I get a notification from somebody in the Discord saying that, price reached the zone that I was looking to see us get some price action within to possibly take a long from. What ended up happening was I saw that notification and just something in my brain flipped where I knew I shouldn't have even pulled out my laptop while I was walking. Like I'd take out my laptop while I'm in the middle of walking to class, enter the trade, don't even calculate the risk on it because I was scared that I was going to miss the move where I entered really like right around like here, like this price point, like here ish, and which increased my risk from where the actual entry point should have been, which is here. And I entered with way too large of a trade size. And yes, the trade followed my plan, like the technicals followed my plan, but not the psychologicals and not the psychology behind the trade and not my rushed manner in getting in the trade. I don't like that feeling that I get where I'm like rushing and erratic, trying to get into a trade because I feel like I'm going to miss it. It's straight FOMO. It's not based in confidence. It's not based in clarity. It was very scrambled, which I'm not proud of. I hadn't dealt with that in a long time, so today was somewhat of a reminder for me to just stand my p's and q's. In a different scenario, like say I was to replay this, I wouldn't even open the chart. I wouldn't even like open my computer while I'm walking to class. I'll just walk to class. If I miss a trade, I miss a trade. I already had a winning trade this on Monday. I don't need to get one today. I don't ever need to get a winning trade on a certain day, because there's no time limit with trading. It's best to be a lot more conservative and a lot more calculated and think like a profitable trader would. A profitable trader is somebody that isn't going to enter trades in a rush manner. If they miss it, they miss it. If they don't, they don't. They're just looking to see if their edge will play out. And that is something that I need to work on and just get more solid in. So now it's part of my trading plan, as if I'm walking somewhere or I'm not able to really open my computer and sit down and analyze what's going on, I'm not going to enter the position. So yeah, that's what today was. Price didn't even reach my, 1-to-1. If it had, I could have moved stops to break even, but it didn't. That didn't happen. Price and came up and then shot down in very volatile fashion. As you can see, we're still bleeding to the downside. So took a loss. Probabilities, had to let the probability play out. But then again, I still don't think I should have entered this. Not because the technicals weren't there, but just because I wasn't in the right mindset nor in the right place situationally to be able to enter the trade. So if you guys like these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. I got the Discord in the link below if you want to be able to interact with other like-minded people. They critiqued me on my trade today, and some people had really good trades today in the group. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.